Have you ever been curious about why we say bless you after someone sneezes? This superstition has been around for centuries, dating back to the Middle Ages. Back then, after someone sneezed, they thought that Satan himself would slither his way into the poor sneezer's body. Yikes! To avoid such a fate, people would shout, "God bless you," to call on divine intervention to ward off Satan and save the day. But it didn't stop there. Some people also believed that sneezing could cause a person to sneeze out their soul, which was obviously something to be avoided at all costs. That's why saying "God bless you" was seen as a way to keep the soul inside the body and prevent any harm from coming to the sneezer. So next time someone around you sneezes, don't forget to give them a friendly "bless you" to keep the evil spirits at bay.